Why some posts explode.
Why does a video recorded on a phone with no editing by a normal person reach 1 million people, while another one, much more polished, barely gets past 200 views? Most people answer, luck, and they are wrong. Viral content is not luck, and it is not magic. It is psychology, and psychology can be learned and applied. Today, you will discover what exploding posts have in common, so yours has a much better chance of doing the same.
The myth of luck.
First, let's tear down the big myth. Believing that viral content is luck is comfortable, but it leaves you powerless. If it is luck, there is nothing you can do. The truth is much more useful. The content that explodes shares a series of psychological ingredients. They do not guarantee virality, nothing does, but they massively increase the odds. We go from, let's see if lightning strikes, to, I am going to put every ingredient in my favor.
Virality cannot be guaranteed, but it can be provoked. It is not luck, it is ingredients. How the platform decides what to show. Reminder.
Remember what we saw about the algorithm. Every post is first shown to a small group, and if that group reacts well, they watch it all the way through, comment, share, save it. It expands to more people. Going viral is simply that cycle repeating again and again. So the real question is not, how do I trick the algorithm, but what makes people react so strongly that the algorithm wants to show it to everyone? And that is psychology.
The ingredients of what explodes.
Content that takes off usually has several of these ingredients. The more you combine, the higher your chances.
The magic question before publishing.
There is one question that sums up the entire psychology of virality. Why would someone share this? People share for very specific reasons. Because it moves them, because it makes them look good, because it helps someone they know, or because it says something they already think but did not know how to express. If your content gives someone a clear reason to share it or tag another person, it has a much higher chance of exploding. If not, it will die on their feed.
Before publishing, ask yourself, why would someone share this? Careful, virality without strategy is useless.
An important warning so you do not lose the plot. We are not looking for just any kind of virality. We need the kind that attracts our prospect. A video of a cat can get 1 million views and not bring you a single prospect. The goal is not to explode in front of anyone, but in front of the right people with a message connected to your topic. Focused virality, not virality for the sake of virality.
Real example.
Marta posted 2 videos in the same week. The first one, well recorded, explained the properties of her product, 150 views. The second one, recorded on her phone without overthinking it, started with, "The day I fell asleep at the park right in front of my children." Strong emotion, complete identification, and a hook that stopped the scroll. Result, 60,000 views, hundreds of comments like,
"The same thing happens to me,"
and several messages. It was not luck, and it was not a better camera. It was that the second one had the ingredients, and the first one did not.
Common mistakes.
Believing it is luck and posting blindly. Viral content has ingredients. Apply them. Obsessing over views. What matters is virality focused on your prospect, not empty views. Caring about production and forgetting psychology. A good phone with a strong hook beats an expensive camera with no emotion. Giving no reason to share. If nobody has a reason to share it, it does not expand.
Practical advice.
Study viral content in your niche like a scientist. Find 10 videos or posts that have exploded in your topic and, for each one, identify what ingredients it contains: emotion, identification, value, hook, conversation. You will start seeing repeating patterns. Do not copy the content, copy the ingredients, and apply them to your message. That is the fastest way to learn what works with your audience. You now know that viral content has ingredients, not luck. But the first and most powerful one is emotion. What touches the heart gets shared. In the next lesson, we are going to go deeper into the emotional triggers that make people react and share.